Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Prashant and I have started a video series on Python for beginners. If you are new to my channel, check my previous videos. Today we are going to learn Introduction to Python Shell, what is variable, types of variable in Python. Let's get started. I have already opened my Python IDE and this screen we call Python Shell. Also we call it as an interactive mode. It is like command line interface. Hence, the result of statement is fast. It is used for learning and test program modules. It is not used to build projects. Let's try some simple mathematical operations on this Python shell. 5 plus 4, 9, 5 minus 3, 5 into 2, 6 divide 2. As we see, we are not storing any values. To store a value in memory, we need a variable. So, what is variable? Variables are used to store information or values to be referenced and used by program. Okay, let me explain. We can simply call variable as a container or a box. And we need to assign a name to our box or container, suppose A, and we will put a value 5 inside the box. In Python, we can write it as a equal to 5. Variable stores value from right to left. We can't write it like 5 equal to A as our mathematics. This is the wrong. This is valid. Value always go from right to left. Let's create on our Python shell A equal to 5. Now we are calling A and it will give our value 5. We can do some operations with A plus 5 and it will be result 10. And we are calling A, it's 5 because we didn't store the operation A plus 5 inside A. Let's try A equal to A plus 5 and now we call A, it will give a 10. To arrange our data in a manner, there are some variable types or data types in Python. So, data is categorized in some type, like simple numbers without fraction or point values are integers, like 5, any value without point. Numbers with fractions are float, like 2.33, 0.43. String is a single or set of characters, like A, apple. To initialize a string, we need to put a value inside a single quote or double quote. It's like we are putting the values in a special box. Just like this 5 is placed in a box of int, this 0.43 is put in float box and this A variable is put in a string box. We have categorized our data in a different boxes and that's called data types. Let's try with our program. B equal to 0.43 and now we calling B at 0.43. Let's add A plus B, it's 10.43. Let's create a string S equal to in a single quotation A and call S, it will give A. Let's try Q equal to double quotation APPL apple and call, and we are calling Q, it will give apple. Some basic Python data types are integer, float, complex, none, boolean, string, list, tuple, set, dictionary. We will learn all this in future videos. Python is a dynamic variable language, means we don't need to initialize variable as like other language. It automatically selects the best box for its value. Let's try. A equal to 5. In Python there is a function called type. It will return the type of data. We'll pass a and it will give an integer. We didn't initialize a as an integer. It will automatically select 5 as an integer. Let's try b equal to 4.55 and we'll check the type of b. It will give a float. Let's try with string. Type of yes, and it will give string. It means that it is automatically selecting the best fit box for data type. Let's try to create a boolean data. B equal to true. We call b, it will give true. Here the spelling of true, the T is capital, or in the false, b equal to f. In false, the f is capital. Or we can create complex data type c equal to 3 plus 5j, and this will store as a complex data structure. There is another data type is none. N equal to none. It means nothing. Okay guys, let's take a quick revision. We learned Python shell. Python shell is used for learning and test program models. It is not used for build projects. Then we learn what is variable. Variable is just a box or container to store a value, and we assign a name to a box. Then we learn types of variable, means different type of box for different types of data types. Then we learn Python is a dynamic variable language, means Python will automatically decide the best fit box or container for its variable data type and will assign a box. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Share your suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.